When it comes to steering wheel upgrades on the BMW F10s and the similar vehicles, so the X5 and the bigger vehicles, if you have a vehicle that does not have paddle shifters by factory, when you are upgrading this type of steering wheel, you could activate the paddles by just doing some coding. On these vehicles is not required to place any additional wires. That being said, I've done some research and now we will be testing some coding procedures that should activate these paddle shifters on this vehicle. For the other F30, 1 series, 2 series, those types of steering wheels, there is the requirement of placing some wires from the steering wheel to the FEM module, but that is specifically for those vehicles. In this vehicle we're just focusing on the 5 series and possibly the coding needed to make it work. Should you need this type of work carried out on your vehicle, drive to us, to beautiful Swindon, UK, and in the best conditions we will get it done. For the rest of you that live somewhere else, if you need step-by-step help, get in touch because we might be able to help you even like that. Let's see if I still remember how to code the vehicle. I believe that I do. As always, you want to have a battery support unit connected or the engine running. The strategies regarding this type of coding would say that you are removing the 205 option and replacing it with 2TB. VO coding the vehicle, specifically the EGS, ICM and the Combi, and after that you still need to do some changes to the SZL module. Previously, I remember that I've done general VO coding on my vehicle because I retrofitted the sport mode switch. So we are just going after the second part of the coding, the proper activation of our paddles. As we can look at it, the paddles do not do anything. And let's see if my possible solutions work or not. Read coding data. Coding data is read. Edit the coding data. Oh yeah, I have the first one. We change this one to beautiful active. We save it. We go back and we code it. Some things will go to sleep. Some things will wake up. We see if it explodes or not. By the looks of it, the coding has taken place. Let's see now. Place it in drive. Yeah, it works. By the looks of it, all that you need to activate the paddle shifters on the 5 series and the bigger vehicles is just a bit of coding. Keep in mind that the 3 series actually requires additional wiring to be put in place. If you want this type of work carried out, get in touch. We are in sunny Swindon, UK. If you want to drive by, we can do the work on your vehicles too. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.